In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a login form in Webflow. Full Tutorial 2026. We'll build a clean, professional login form using Webflow's built-in tools, and I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and how to place it. If you already have your project open in the Webflow designer, you're all set. If not, sign in to Webflow and open the project where you want the login form to live, ideally on a dedicated page or a section you've prepared. Start by opening the Add panel. You'll find it on the left side of the designer, represented by a plus icon. The Add panel is where Webflow keeps all the building blocks for your site, everything from basic elements to complete pre-built structures. So it's the fastest place to grab what you need without reinventing the wheel. Inside the Add panel, head to Layouts. Layouts are curated groups of elements arranged in common patterns, which saves you time and ensures clean, consistent structure. This is especially helpful for forms because you get proper hierarchy and spacing from the start. At the top of the Layouts area, use the search bar and type Sign In. This filters the layouts list so you can quickly find a ready-made sign-in or login design. Searching is much faster than scrolling, and it also reduces the chance of pulling in the wrong component. When you see a sign-in layout that matches your needs, select it. Webflow will place the entire layout on your canvas in one click. That's the heavy lifting done. Congrats. From here, you can drag it into your preferred section if needed, and then tailor it to your brand. Update the headings, adjust the spacing, and apply your typography and colors using classes to keep styles consistent across the project. A few quick tips as you refine it. Keep labels visible for accessibility, not just placeholders. Set required fields thoughtfully, and maintain strong color contrast for readability. If you plan to use this on multiple pages, create reusable classes and consider symbols or components for shared parts like headers or footers. Also, check the layout on tablet and mobile breakpoints to confirm everything stacks neatly and the tap targets are large enough. That's the complete process. Go to Webflow, open the Add panel, click Layouts, search Sign In, and select the form you want. You now have a polished login layout in place and ready to style. Save your work, keep your classes organized, and you're on your way to a smooth, professional sign-in experience. Thanks for watching and happy designing.